right, guys, so we are officially 3 days out from our competition. I'm super tired, guys. I just knocked out some cardio and I needed to get some water because I forgot my gallon of water, and I needed some coffee because I need some energy, guys, because I am flagging, bucko. Woo! Woo! Love it. Love me some coffee. So here's a little coffee tip for you guys, because most places you go get coffee don't ever have the right sweetener that you can have. You know, they always have the ones with like dextrose and maltodextrin or some generic Splenda or whatever that may be. I always carry my own sweetener, guys, because I know I'm probably gonna at some point get some coffee and they're probably not gonna have the sugar-free or the sweetener that I want. So always keep a couple of packets in my backpack, in my car, in my pocket. Yes, I've been known to keep them in my pocket. It's the best way to know that you're gonna get the right sweetener for your coffee. So boom. All right, guys, so it's time for meal one. What I have right here is 6 egg whites, 100 grams of white rice with half a teaspoon of table salt, red and zero salt, baby. And that's gonna be meal number one, guys. So here we go, I'm gonna measure it right here. All right, guys, so there it is, the 6 egg whites, the 100 grams of white rice, but we're missing one other thing, guys. You know what time it is. The sweet poppy sauce. Yeah, a little bit of sweet poppy. I'm telling you guys, this has literally been a life changer. Actually, I already told you guys about this. You guys know, throw a little bit of this on your food, and whatever you think about dieting, if you think dieting sucks, it probably does, because you don't have any of these Gain bakery sauces. They got sweet poppy, sriracha maple vinaigrettes, dollar dill ranch, which is my personal favorite, but I can't have it right now. So there we go, guys. That is meal number one. Woo, man, look how delicious this looks, guys. Now, before we dive into this, guys, I want to give a huge shout out to the sponsors of this video, ButcherBox, guys. ButcherBox has an amazing deal going on right now. They're gonna be giving their members free turkey. Now that is an amazing deal. You guys have known I've been raving about ButcherBox for years. I've been using them for the past 2 years. And again, the number one question I always get is, Logan, is ButcherBox worth it? And let me just tell you, number one, the quality of the meats is top notch, guys. I'm telling you, none of this junk meat that's gonna have a bunch of hormones pumped into them. This is grass-fed and grass-finished. That's the key, guys. Grass finished. And number two, it's so convenient, guys. You head over to the website and customize what you want. If you're a ribeye guy and you just want steaks and ribeyes, there you go. Filet mignon, there you go. If you're a chicken guy, you want chicken thighs, chicken wings, chicken breasts, it's there for you. And again, for all new members, when you use the link in my description, you're gonna get free turkey. I mean, that's a win-win. I'm telling you right there, guys. So I'm telling you, ButcherBox is so worth it. So thank you, ButcherBox, for sponsoring this video. And that's what you call foreshadowing, because you can best believe I'm probably gonna have some turkey later on. Yeah, I'll probably have some turkey. Yes, sir. Yeah, buddy. All right, guys, so time for meal number two. What meal number two calls for is 100 grams of white rice with half a teaspoon of salt and 5 ounces of ground ButcherBox turkey, baby, as you can see right here. Yummy, yummy. Also, disclaimer, guys, for those of you who are new to this channel and maybe new to me and you're watching this video because the thumbnail is probably set and it said some ridiculous number of low calories full day of eating, guys, remember, I'm only 3 days out of a crash diet prep. This is not normal. This is not healthy. So please don't anybody do what I'm doing. I definitely should not be eating this little. And again, I'm only doing this to make a weight class that we really are aiming for. But if I was doing a true diet, or if I was just eating regular, I definitely would not be eating this little. And if I was getting ready for a show properly, I definitely would not be eating this little. I would have a lot more time instead of giving myself only 11 days. So there you go. I just don't want everybody freaking out. Be like, what is this guy promoting? This guy's promoting eating like almost nothing. This guy's not healthy. This guy's a fraud. Don't panic, Hispanic, okay? This is only because I have to crash diet this prep. So anyways, guys, enough talking. Let's dive into this delicious white rice, sweet poppy, and ground turkey, baby. So with my calories being so low for the past 11 days, literally what's been getting me through the day are these monsters right here. I'm telling you what, like when I'm feeling like low energy, drained, fatigued, middle of the day, as you can see, I'm editing right now. I don't know if you guys can see that. Got my setup right there. Actually, that was a picture from a long time ago. I'm actually creating a thumbnail for a video that probably would play before this one. It's like what to order if you're going to Chili's or going on a date night. Something me and my wife did. Anyways, if you didn't watch it, make sure you go check it out after this, but that's what I'm currently doing right now. But yeah, like I'm saying, these energy drinks are like seriously saving my life lately. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. All right, guys, so it is now time for meal number 3 of the day. And again, it's the same thing, guys. It's the same thing. So right here we have 5 ounces of chicken with 100 grams of rice. Can you guys see that? Can you guys see that? I think you guys can see that. And we got some sweet papi sauce. I know a lot of you are like, Logan, literally, dude, you're just eating the same stuff every single day. I know, but you know what? For the calories being as low as they are, and I know a lot of you are probably like, dude, I can never eat those low calories. And yes, you're right, but I'm telling you, when you're eating clean, really good food, and you have amazing sauces to help you get through that, I'm not just saying this, guys. I really am. My calories have roughly been like this for the past 11 days, and I have yet to have any hangry issues. If you don't know what hangry issues, guys, is, come on, just put 2 and 2 together. Someone who's hungry and someone who's angry because they're hungry, and they're angry because they can't eat, and so you become like hangry or something like that. Whatever. I have yet to experience that. Now, if I was just eating chicken and rice, then yes, I would most likely go insane. But when you have diet hacking sauces or any of that, it doesn't have to be Gaines Bakery. That's just what I use because that's what I prefer. You can use G. Hughes, sugar-free ketchup. I even think they have like sugar-free barbecue sauce. Or it doesn't matter. Just find some type of sauce, some type of low-calorie sauce, diet hacking sauce, something you can throw on your food so it doesn't feel like you're just eating plain Jane, boring chicken and rice. Ground turkey and rice, egg whites and veggies. I mean, I know that sounds disgusting, but it really hasn't been, because when you have a variety of different sauces that can like obviously get you through that food and it actually tastes good, it doesn't feel like you're dieting. Like this last 11 days, yes, I understand. I am on a crash diet. This is not something that a normal person would do. But that being said, I've been totally cool with it because all the foods taste good. As you can see through this video, I'm eating a lot of meals, frequent meals every 2 to 3 hours. And so every time I'm about to get hungry, it's time for another meal. Boom. Even though the meals are very small, and then with drinking all the water that I've been drinking lately, it kind of tricks my mind and stomach to give a signal that I'm full. Now, again, these are just simple tips for those of you out there who are dieting, who want to get in shape. Use these tips. Find a good sauce to make your food not boring and suck. If you're feeling hungry, I'm telling you, it's probably because you're bored. Try drinking lots of water. That's always helped me. And then also, guys, get that temptation out of your kitchen. Everybody has a pantry that's just full of cookies and chips and Oreos and cereal and all kinds of junk. If you're trying to lose weight and you're trying to make progress, but you're not ready to let go of that stuff, then you're not truly ready. Just get it out of your pantry. Get it out of your house so you can't give into that temptation when it's like 10 o'clock and you're bored and you still have 2 hours left before you go to bed or whatever. I say it kind of late. Just get rid of that so you don't see it and you're just staring at it and you're just walking past the kitchen and it's just calling your name like, come eat me. The Oreos are just calling your name. The cereal's just calling your name. Say no, because I can't, because you're gone. I threw you away. Yo, all right, guys, so it's gym time. Hopefully you guys can hear me because the music is loud. We're here at Metroflex Gym. I got my boy Isaiah, what's up? So today is a chest and delts workout. Should be fun, should get nice and sweaty, so let's do it. Okay, guys, so this workout is a pretty quick workout. Like I said, delts and chest. We're gonna superset every single exercise. So I'm gonna do a chest exercise, and then I'm gonna superset that with a delt exercise. So this should be quick, should be a nice, quick pump. Let's go. right, guys, so that's the workout. Pretty good, quick little pump. Shout out to Metroflex. I love that gym, man. I love that gym. They don't care, man. They don't care about mass. They don't care about your shirt. It's just a true bodybuilding gym. So anyways, guys, heading home. We gotta get some chicken. We gotta get some rice. And we gotta get some more of that sweet poppy. You know what's coming. We'll see you in a bit. Yeah, all right, guys. So just got home and looks like I got a nice little package waiting for me. Let's see what's inside. What could it be? What could it be? Oh, yes. Yes. Yes, I've been waiting for this, guys. Keto meal vanilla cake. The true and best keto meal replacement on the market. I love this, guys. I have been waiting for vanilla. So we finally restocked our keto meal vanilla, guys. And check this out. You may recognize this guy. Look at that. Oh, there I am. Look at that little guy. I almost look like him right now. I almost look as shut as that guy. Yes, guys, I'm telling you, if you are looking for the best keto meal replacement on the market, keto meal is definitely going to be for you. If you don't have time to cook, you're on the go, you're on the road all the time, maybe your work is just freaking hectic and you don't know when your next meal is going to be, hey, don't risk it. This is the #1 true keto meal replacement. It's broken down into 75% fats, 20% protein, and 5% carbs. It's not gonna knock you out of ketosis, and it's sweetened with monk fruit, guys. So you can't get any better than that. It's pretty much just eggs and butter powder right here, guys. And vanilla cake goes good with everything, guys. Literally, you can make pancakes, waffles, pudding, ice cream with this stuff. Absolutely love this stuff. I do have a discount code, GB30 for 30% off. So meal #4, this is post-workout. We have 5 ounces of chicken right here. And then don't knock it till you try it. If you're new to this channel, then you're probably gonna be like, that's disgusting, but I'm telling you, you need to try it. And Camila's like imitating me. No, don't knock it till you try it. Okay, so what this is 150 grams of cucumbers with some Walden Farms and some cinnamon right here, guys. So put a little bit of cinnamon like so, and there you go. Hey, you stay right there. So we're potty training my daughter right now, and she's butt naked, so don't walk over here. So anyways, guys, this is gonna be meal #4 for the day. Like I said, chicken and cucumbers with some Walden Farms and some cinnamon. You guys need to try it. I'm telling you, it's so good. Yeah. It's dinner time, and normally around this time, the girls are very, very fussy because they're tired, but they don't want to go to sleep, but they do want to go to sleep, so they're always normally crying at this time. So 5th meal of the night right here is 4 ounces of chicken, 1 whole egg with some sweet poppy sauce. That's gonna be meal #5, guys, so let's eat. Final meal of the night is 8 servings of egg whites. Hopefully you guys can see that. 8 servings of egg whites with some sugar-free ketchup and some sweet poppy sauce. And then again, 150 grams of cucumbers with Walden Farms and cinnamon. And that's gonna be it, guys. And I'm gonna go over my macros for the day. So total calories for the day was 1,439 calories. Yes, you heard me correctly, 1,400 calories. And the total protein was 177 grams of protein. We had 87 grams of carbs, 8 grams of fiber, and only 14 grams of fat. And that is it, guys. That is what I'm eating 3 days out. Again, if you're new to this channel, this is not how I typically eat, guys. It's never this low. We just had a crash diet because we only had 11 days to get ready for the show. So that is why the food is so low. Protein super high, fat super low, and the carbs are somewhat, actually, this is actually a high carb day, guys. Yes, 87 grams of carb is a high carb day for me. For most people, that's super low. One other thing, whether you're a man or a woman, I have plans for you at goodybeatsofficial.com. You'll have access to all my programs, guys. I have workout programs. I have at-home workout programs, keto hacks, low carb hacks, everything about fasting, everything about ketosis, everything you need for men and women. You'll have access to all my programs, guys. I've developed a bunch of programs over the 7 years of me doing low carb, intermittent fasting, and the ketogenic diet. So trust me, I know that I have something for you on my website. It's $9 a month. 9 doll hairs, guys. If you're telling me that you're not worth $9 a month, I can't help you. I don't know what to tell you. Like, literally, come on, guys. If you're ready to change your life, head over to my website, goodybeatsofficial.com. There you go, guys. I hope you did like this video. Full day of eating. 3 days out, guys. If you're in the San Antonio area, Central Texas area, come by the show. Come say what's up. I'm competing this Saturday at 9 o'clock in San Antonio, the San Antonio Classic. Boom! Bodybuilding. I hope to see you guys there. Anyways, guys, absolutely love you. We'll see you on the next video. Peace.